This is Jason Vial with the Public Informations team. I've traveled up here to Banner Lassen Medical Facility to go ahead and chat with some of our people on the front lines. We have the CAO for Banner over here, as well as the Public Informations Officer, and I'm going to let them introduce themselves.
Hi, Sandy Duggar, CEO with Banner Lassen Medical Center and our Banner Health Clinics.
I am Pat Monez, Administrative Assistant for the CNO and the Public Information Officer.
So we wanted to ask some questions like, what is Banner Lassen Medical Facility doing during this time?
Great, thank you. So over the past 2 weeks, Banner Lassen Medical Center has been preparing for the influx of potential patients that could come into the facility related to COVID-19 and the impact that this has potential on the healthcare system within Lassen County in general. So we're working closely with both public health and with the Emergency Operations Center that is set up for Lassen County. Most of our actions, or all of our actions that we're taking, are based upon learnings from other Banner Health facilities, from Center for Disease Control, as well as the World Health Organization. So we've been preparing surge plans for both our inpatient and outpatient units to be able to effectively manage and handle the potential high volumes that we could have coming into the facility. We're monitoring our personal protective equipment and our cleaning supplies really closely to assure that we have what's needed within the facility to care for those higher volumes. And then we've changed several internal processes as well. We have designated staff entries, and then right now we're not doing elective surgeries to minimize that impact of people coming in that are healthy into the facility. Now we are doing urgent surgeries for those that would have that need at this time. At our clinic, we're also doing telehealth visits. We're doing well visits by phone, and then we are doing sick visits and designated time blocks within the clinic to assure we're keeping the sick population separated from the well population to minimize that spread.
So thank you, Sandy. We're going to actually turn it over to Pat, who's going to tell us a little bit about some of the things that they've put in place here at the facility.
Hi, I'm Pat, and we do have visitor restrictions in place up here at Banner Lassen. So one of the things you can expect if you're a patient coming up here, we have a screening station, which they'll show you, and you will be stopped and ask some questions like, do you have a fever or do you have a cough? And we're practicing hand hygiene all the time, so we want to make sure that you're washing your hands. Okay, to follow up on the visitor restrictions, we are not allowing any visitors unless you're a laboring mom or you have a pediatric patient. Then one adult visitor is allowed for each of those situations. Okay, to keep up to date with the most current information, you should follow the Banner intranet COVID-19 as well as Lassen Cares, as we keep that updated every day. So thank you.